With that, let's move to commodities. We have Manisha joining in with the latest action. Manisha, it's been all about China, really. And then there's crude, of course, which continued to slump on the Saudi news. But you tell us, what's exciting you this morning?
Oh, well, as you said, Surbhi, it is about gold, which has made yet another all-time highs. Metals are surging. China is expected to boost in yet another 1 trillion yuan to the banking system to boost economy. The crude oil prices, in the meanwhile, have seen a bit of a decline. But I am in Delhi, and this is a sugar and bioenergy conference here, and a lot of deliberations happening. And this is coming in at a time when you have sugar prices in the international markets trading at a 7-month highs at around 23.7. Also, when you look at Arabica coffee, that is trading at a 13-year highs. Brazil is dealing with the worst drought ever, and that has led to damage in crops, which has been supportive. The other thing is that the International Sugar Organization says that the deficit in sugar in the global markets this time around is going to be more severe than what you saw in the previous year. So previous year was 200,000 tons. This time around is 3.5 million tons. That has been supportive. And, you know, a lot of ministers here in the conference also are talking. Yesterday was Mr. Prahlad Joshi, who said that the ethanol pricing revision for the Indian industry will happen in the next 4 to 6 weeks. This is what has led to the sugar stocks also doing quite well. The other couple of things that the industry has been asking about is the minimum sugar price hike. And the other thing also is about exports. This is something that the minister actually deviated away from, that this is something that they are talking about. But interestingly, in minutes from now, we will also be listening to Minister Puri and what he has to say about ethanol. Remember, ethanol pricing is something that hasn't been announced for this season, and that is what the street is anticipating. B-heavy molasses actually hasn't been done for last couple of years. So once that also happens, you will see that reaction coming into the markets as well. Well, at this point in time, we have seen the sugar prices gain up by nearly 5% for the month of September itself. So that's one commodity to keep an eye on.
Yes, policy action has been favorable on the sugar side. And like you're saying that, move on ethanol, the pricing, that's going to be critical as well. So lots of action. Manisha, thanks for joining in. Though I know you have a very busy day at that event today. Thank you for being with us. We'll